Katrina Kaif is one such actress who is not much into makeup and believe natural beauty is the best. Most of the time she loves to keep her look natural. Today in this video, I will share her morning secret to get fresh, glowing skin instantly. Also this will remove all puffiness from your face in no time. Recently Katrina shared a video on Instagram, in which she dunked her face in a bowl filled with ice cubes. Every morning she does 1 minute ice facial. Ice water is great way to get rid of many skin problems, and it also helpful to cut down your facial fat. To do this facial, take a clean bowl filled with cold water. Bowl should be large enough to dip your face into it. Add 10 to 12 ice cubes in this. Also in this you can add 1 to 2 spoons of rose water to feel extra fresh, but rose water is optional. Now dip your face in this water for 10 seconds. Remove your face for few seconds, and again dip it for 10 seconds. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times and you're done.
Used a DIY face mask. What was it?
The classic besan, haldi and malai.
Malai.